This is a shuttle train to Franklin Avenue. Shuttle train to Franklin Avenue. Stand clear of the closing doors. Botanic Garden is next. This is Botanic Garden. Transfers available to the 2, 3, 4, and 5 trains. This is a shuttle train to Franklin Avenue. The next stop is Park Place. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is Park Place. Franklin Avenue is the next and last stop. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Franklin Avenue. Transfers available to the C train. This is the last stop on this train. Thank you for riding with MTA, New York City Transit. Welcome aboard this shuttle train to Rockaway Boulevard. The next stop is Beach 105th Street, Seaside. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Beach 105th Street, Seaside. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is Beach 98th Street, Playland. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Beach 98th Street, Playland. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is Beach 90th Street, Holland. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Beach 90th Street, Holland. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is Broad Channel. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Broad Channel. Transfer is available to the A train to Far Rockaway on the other side of this station. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is Hard Beach JFK Airport. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is Hard Beach JFK Airport. Connection is available to the JFK Air train. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is North Conduit Avenue. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is North Conduit Avenue. This is a Rockaway Boulevard bound shuttle train. The next stop is Aqueduct Racetrack. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is Aqueduct Racetrack. Rockaway Boulevard is the next and last stop. Stand clear of the closing doors. This is Rockaway Boulevard. Transfer is available for the A train to Lefferts Boulevard. If your destination is the next 4 stops after this station, Brooklyn or Manhattan, get off here on this platform for a Manhattan-bound A train. This train is ending here. Last stop! Last stop! No passengers! No passengers! This train is returning back to the Rockaways. Thank you for riding the Rockaway Park Shuttle.